Connection, I'll check on
Am I going live now? I don't know. Oh yeah, I am live. Fantasticos. Okay.
You wait because
yeah.
Just a quick,
Thank you.
welcome.
Hey guys, how is everyone doing? Thank you for joining me at this first Instagram live. It's the first time I'm trying this out. I heard it's a very cool thing, so here we are. Of course, we're at the gym. Where else? Tennis court or at the gym? I'm here with my friend Elenuchka. Doesn't she have the best haircut in the world? Check this out, guys. Huh?
Bye. Ciao.
On the side, please, the side. Wow, this is unbelievable. Rock and roll, baby! Woohoo! And have a little kombucha in my hand, okay? And just gonna get some refreshment, late night refreshment. So, how many of you guys are on it? Oh, actually, this is cool. I can see how many people are live with me. It's about 7,500. That's cool. Thank you, guys. Thanks to everyone for showing up. Okay, I'm gonna show you where I train. Here in Monaco. All right. Check it out. Check it out. Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo. Shoes personally signed by them. What do you guys think? Is there any love between these guys? I think so. I think they respect each other. That's what matters. All right. So, reaction machine. Gym is empty. You know what they say, come in first, go out last. So I'm trying to live by that kind of philosophy. Not really training, guys. I'm just kind of visiting, you know. I'm just trying to inspire myself to come back early next morning. Hopefully train. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to, because I heard that the really cool feature on Instagram Live is that you can call anyone who sends a request to be speaking live with you. So, ciao.
Ciao.
So this is what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to call someone from you guys who wants to be live with me. So, all right, let me know who wants to be live. All right, let me see. I'm reading your comments right here. I'm getting everyone's comments. So, all right. Ko želi da bude live sa mnom? All right, me. All right. Okay, let me pick. Okay, let me pick someone. There we go. Okay, go live with Novak Fan Club. All right. Let me see, guys. Can we you guys? Do you guys see me? Oh, there we go. Hi.
Oh my God. Hello.
Hi. Nice to see you.
Awesome.
How you doing?
This is so cool.
Can you hear?
Hello, Nole.
Can you hear me well?
Yes, perfectly. And just today I'm wearing the Nole Fan Day T-shirt. Can you see it?
Oh, I can see it. Yes, for the Nole Fan Day. Wow.
Yes, just a coincidence.
Thank you so much. That looks amazing.
Yes, it was great. And our member from China, and Kiki did it in Australia. So she sent it to me here in Argentina.
So where are you now? Do you hear me well? Where are you now? I can't hear you. Are you in Argentina? I don't know. We lost the sound, but I can still see you. Can you nod your head if you hear me? No. Yes. Okay. There is a loss of connection there. So let me try someone else. All right, let me try someone else. Let me see who do we have. Who is willing to get with me on Instagram Live, guys? All right. Oh, wait. Okay, let me see. All right. I'm going live with the Tsoki Par 5. Hi. Hi, how are you?
From Argentina.
Where are you from? Hi.
No.
Oh my God, this is such a great feature. I'm gonna be doing this very often. This is so cool. We can connect. Where are you from?
Argentina.
Oh, Argentina. Ole, 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 hola. Argentina, te quiero ya. Oh. Del po.
Ay, no. I am working.
You are what? You're working?
Sí. I'm working.
Oh, really? What are you doing? What's your work?
I am teacher special.
Oh, wow. That's wonderful. That's fantastic. Who is there? I'm gonna say hello. Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
Hola, decirle.
¿Todo bien?
Hola.
Muchos besos, muchos saludos.
Besos. Buen día.
Thank you so much. This is fantastic. It's
I love
very nice.
you. I love you so much.
I love you. I love you too. Thank you very much for being with me.
Thank you.
We'll do this more often.
You are a one.
Okay? Gracias. Ciao. Beso.
Ciao.
Okay, guys, this was unbelievable. Great. Okay, so who do we got now? Let me see. I need to find someone who is really interesting here. All right. Let me see. Guys, this is so cool. This is the most fun that I had with my fans. Actually, I've done a couple of the live videos from. Oh, look at that! Who is this? Radek Stepanek is here. All right, let me see what he's up to. All right, that's.
Hey, what's up?
Spaceku!
Hi there.
Desi Spaceku!
How are you? What are you up to?
Man, look what I'm up to. Look at this, man. I'm in the gym.
Wow. So that means that you're getting ready for next season or what?
Well, I cannot tell you too much, you know.
Okay.
You're kind of one of my rivals, so I cannot just discover any secret to you, you know.
I don't know if you followed the news, but I'm not your rival anymore.
What?
Because
no way, man. Why?
yeah, like my back just couldn't make it. I underwent the surgery in March, and unfortunately, the risks I would take by were too big.
Oh man, that's terrible news, man. I'm really sorry to hear that. Well, but what are you up to? Like, what are you gonna do now? what's your next step?
You know, I'm enjoying the time that I don't need to wake up in the morning, have the healthy breakfast, go to practice, don't have the discipline anymore. So, just looking around what comes next.
Really?
Yeah. So you have something for me or what?
It's very interesting because I'm actually looking for another coach. I don't know what you have in mind, but if you have nothing better to do, maybe we can give it a shot. Maybe you can be my coach. What do you say?
You know what? I've been resting quite a lot for the last few weeks, so why not? Let's give it a shot.
Really? Wow, this is amazing, man. You didn't even hear anything I had to offer, and you accepted. Wow, this is fantastic. But
so let me what do you offer?
Well, I can offer some really, really special things. Like, I don't know, like green juice every Wednesday, every first Wednesday of the month. I can offer you some acai bowl on overseas flights. Only one way, not return. Sorry, it's too expensive. I cannot afford that. And I can offer you. Yeah, I mean that's all for beginning. It's everything else is a bit too much, don't you think?
Yeah, but I think your offer was pretty generous to start with. So if I get some extra coconut on the acai bowls, then I'm in.
Give me a second, please. Extra coconut. I need to, I would love to give you a straight answer now, but I have my manager here. Edo, will it be okay? What do you think? Come here, sit with me, please, for 1 second, because everybody. Will it be okay?
Ciao, Radek.
Radek, you remember?
I remember him, ex-tennis player.
Oh yeah, straight to the point, baby. Oh, it's sliding tackle. Anyway, so
Already an amateur.
He's basically asking, his conditions to work together would be extra coconut flakes, or just coconut oil, or anything specific. You got to be more specific.
Flakes.
So coconut flakes. I mean,
Listen,
what is the market?
No,
the market price.
The market price is high.
It's high.
Is high, but he needed, because I know that he was enjoying a little too much red wine. So he needed to clean his body. So this is effort, and give to him a little
some
bit of
healthy fatty acids.
Fatty
acids.
He needs it.
You need a little bit more of fatty acid, man. You look like you need more fatty acid. I look like I need more fatty acid. So my answer is yes, but I have another question.
Yes.
It's already 30th November, and we have to be on the court literally like tomorrow. So I don't know how we're gonna make this happen.
I think pretty easy. I'm ready to go.
Really? Yeah, but where are you now?
I'm already waiting for you.
You're waiting for me?
In time, yes.
Okay, let me see. Okay.
Idemo.
All right, guys. So this is the new team, baby. This is my new man. We're excited for a new season, and this is the way we wanted to break it down for you.
So now it's official.
Melbourne, prepare some coconut flakes for our side balls, please. All right. Thank you, guys. Oh.